What's up, you guys? It's Matt here, and I wanted to go through something that really doesn't make sense to me, and somebody brought up an issue, so I decided to make a video on it, and they talked about investing, and they told me about their situation, and I said that I don't think you should invest because investing would hurt you. And that kind of brought up something in my mind, just like, should I make a video on this? Because it really kind of hits close to home for a lot of people. So I wanted to talk about why investing will hurt 80% of Americans. Before I get into the video, if you could hit the like button on this video, that would help me out a lot. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And I do a giveaway every single week, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video to hear all about that giveaway. And I'll tell you all about it. But hit that little notification bell so you're always aware when I post a video for that giveaway. But without further ado, let's just get into the video. So you're probably asking yourself, how will investing hurt 80% of Americans? People tell me to invest all the time, and investing is a good thing, right? Well, it's a good thing and it's not. And most people will kind of leave out one key word or one key thing in their life when it comes to investing, when it comes to their situation, and that's the one word that will stop you from investing, that should stop you from investing. And that one word is debt. People have so much debt. A recent study showed that 80% of Americans are caught up in the chains of debt. According to statistics, 8 out of 10 people are trapped in debt, which is 80%. So if you look at, that as a whole, why would you invest if you have debt? So the question remains now, how does debt really tie to investing at all? Well, it does, because your financial situation all ties together. No matter what pieces are there, it all ties together. One influences another decision. So when you look at the numbers, the average family pays 16% of their income to debt. 16%. Now, when you look at long-term gains, and you look at the safest investments, what is the highest or the average percent that you can get with long-term gains, short-term gains, whatever? 10%. So do you see the picture that I'm painting here? You're bringing in 10% in an investment, but you're paying out 16% in debt. If majority of Americans have debt, why would anybody recommend that they start investing? And I understand that you could have a tremendous amount of growth in investing, but you don't want to neglect the fact that you have debt and that you're paying 16% in interest. If you can minimize that debt by paying extra, then that could be a whole nother situation. But 16% in interest, pay your debt off first, then you can go into investing. Experts are out there saying that you need to invest as fast as possible and make sure you get in the market now because, the market is going to skyrocket and things like that, and kind of, upsell the fact that you need to get into the market. And that's not the case. If this many Americans have debt and are struggling with paying debt and things like that, then you need to pay down your debt first. Debt matters in that situation, then you start investing. So just looking at those two numbers, the 10% and the 16%, if you have 10% in gains and 16% in, debt, interest that you're paying, then you're basically losing 6%. And until you can get that number to break even or to a positive percentage, then you don't want to invest. Now, there are a ton of people out there. In my situation, I have student loan payments. I have a mortgage. And how much do I pay in interest versus how much do I get in my investments? Obviously, I get a lot more because I pay down my student loans a lot more, so I'm minimizing that percentage. The same thing with my mortgage. So if you understand how debt works, positive debt, negative debt, whatever, if you understand how debt works and interest works, then you can find a way to bring that number to break even or be positive. So just to help you out with that situation, if you're one of those people with 16% or higher in interest that you're paying per month in debt, then I can help you out here. So take your payments and pay an extra $10. See what you can afford. Before you invest, whatever you're going to invest, like say $40 or so or $20, take half of that and put it towards your debt. So what you're going to do is, if you have $40 or $20 or whatever, let's say it's $20, you're going to take $10 and put it towards, your car payment or put it towards, your mortgage. It's going to help you out and minimize that debt with all of the extra money that you're spending. Trust me, $10 makes a difference, especially on like a mortgage where you're paying majority of your interest in the first 15 years. So you want to pay an extra $10, an extra $20, whatever it is you were going to invest with, cut it in half or cut it by, 60% and, put that money towards your debt, and you'll find a way to bring that to break even. And all you have to do is build up that calculation and understand what the interest will be calculated at and where your break-even point is. So I always recommend to pay off debt first, but if you really want to get into investing, if you feel like the market is going to skyrocket and we're at a low point in the market and you need to get in just to be able to profit, like how people bought Amazon at like $90 or so, and then now it's like $2,000. Like, if people want to get in on that, then I understand, but you need to baby step your way into that. If you have debt, don't ruin your whole financial situation because you want to get in the market, because throughout the years, yes, that could be a huge percentage. That could be. It's all gambling there. But debt, you can minimize that and save money. So that's the way that I look at it. I love investing and I love helping people out with investing. If you have any questions on that stuff, make sure you comment down below and be as engaged as possible as people that love investing videos, because I want to make more investing videos. It's just people really want to see credit card videos. I get maybe 1,000 views, or I'll probably get 500 to 700 views on the first day of posting a credit card video, and I'll get 100 views or 200 views on the first day of posting an investing video or personal finance video, which is understandable because the majority of my videos on my channel were credit cards, and majority of the people that are subscribing to my channel are because of the credit card videos that I created. So that's my video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you are a person that really likes credit cards rather than investing, I really appreciate you watching this video. That helps me out so much. Make sure you hit the like button on this video. That helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, comment down below with all of the engagement. That also helps me out. And I do a giveaway every single week. I give away 2 Amazon gift cards 52 weeks a year. And all you have to do in order to enter that giveaway is just comment on at least one video for the week, like at least one video for the week, and also be subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you do all those things, then you get 1 ticket in the hat. If you want multiple tickets, then just comment on multiple videos. But that's my video, guys. Thank you for watching again. But I'm going to have to get out of here. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.